Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you about a crazy chess trick, the fishing pole trap. This trap has some crazy chess tactics and you can end your opponent's game in just 7 moves. So stay tuned. So guys, this trap has 2 variations and make sure you watch this video completely in order to execute this trap properly. So game starts with pawn to e4, we reply with e5. Now knight to f3, we develop a knight to c6 and then bishop to b5. And this is the most popular Ruy Lopez opening and you will encounter this position quite often in your games. Here white's idea is to capture our knight and then take our e5 pawn. So we'll develop our knight to f6 and attack white's e4 pawn. Here white will castle. Now we cannot take white's e4 pawn because if we do, white will simply move his rook to e1 and as soon as we take our knight back, white will capture our e5 pawn. So instead, we lay our trap and move our knight to square g4. If white tries to chase it away by playing h3, then we play a stunning move, pawn to h5. If white gets greedy and captures our knight, we'll capture it back with a pawn and attack white's knight. As soon as white takes his knight back, we'll play another stunning move, queen to h4, threatening checkmate on h1 and h2. If white plays f4, making way for his king, then we'll simply push our pawn to g3 and white is completely helpless here and white's king has no space to go to. If white pushes his rook to f3, then we'll simply move our queen to h1 and it's a checkmate. Let's say our opponent is really smart and knows about our trap and instead of pushing h3, he pushes his rook to e1 and supports his e4 pawn. In that case, we develop our bishop to c5 and attack white's f2 pawn. So white will save it by playing d4. We'll capture this pawn with a knight. White will capture it back with his knight. Now we cannot capture this knight, otherwise white's queen will capture our other knight. So we'll play another stunning move here. We'll move our queen to h4, attacking white's f2 and h2 pawn. Here white will bring his knight back to f3, saving his h2 pawn and also attacking our queen. Here we'll capture black's f2 pawn with our queen and check. White's king has only one square to go to, the h1 square. And now we'll play an amazing move and your friends will think that you're a genius. We'll move our queen to g1, check. Now white can capture our queen by his knight or his rook. And now the showstopper move, knight to f2 and it's a smaller checkmate. So guys, this was the fishing pole trap. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and for more such videos, please subscribe to Chess VITA.